So last week, guys, we were buying the euro, but as I mentioned, we were in a bearish trend. But if we broke below this support, so what happened? The market opened, guys, with a gap, and when we went down to guys, it hit our bearish target. So, guys, the question is remains what are we going to do this week? And let's start from top to bottom, guys. On the weekly chart, guys, after having a historic and record high bullish movement, guys, we are finally consolidating. And we are still inside in kind of a consolidation structure. So let's go to the daily and get rid of this consolidation structure. So on the daily, guys, we are at the bottom of that consolidation. We do need to keep in mind the consolidation that we are getting on the weekly chart. We are currently at the bottom of it. So I'm going to go to the daily chart, guys, and on the daily chart, guys, I'm going to we are kind of consolidating here. We have one, two, three, four kind of rejection candles. And if we go to the 4H, we are still unable to buy yet, guys. I'll make it simple this week, guys. I'll use the 4H. But before I do that, I just start the AI analysis because we have to give it time to load. So for the weekly chart, guys, I will be taking screenshots of 4H and the daily chart only. I won't be using the 1H because I need a longer term bias. Let's see what the AI says. I'll just give it the pictures so it can keep on processing them. I already choose one day 4H. I have already chosen it. Okay, deep consensus three agents. Guys, so we are back on the chart. So on the 4H, I was going to say, guys, if you want to start buying, we need a break above 1.16512. So I will be turning this yellow because this is kind of like an important point. If we are able to break above this, guys, we will be going for, in my opinion, 1.17427. And we may also end up, while we are there, also end up testing the previous swing high, which is located at 1.18241. And guys, as long as we are below this, we cannot start buying. We are at the bottom of a consolidation on the weekly chart, but guys, we cannot start buying yet. So what are we going to do, guys? So as long as we're below this, we will have to sell, and our first target, guys, would be 1.15402, and guys, our next target would be 1.14668. Bottom of the weekly range. Okay, guys. This is my analysis. So let's check out what the AI has done. Okay, it's about to decide. So I'll pause the video. Okay, it has decided. Its consensus is bearish as well. Its verified pivot zone is 1.1548 to 1.1625. So the validation zone is 1.1625. So let's copy this. But before that, let's read bearish continuation. The plan anticipates a breakdown from the current 4H consolidation range. Okay, time and session. This is a weekly outlook prepared on the Sunday. The strategy is to capitalize on the expected expansion at the weekly open following the previous week's high volume breakdown and subsequent end of week consolidation. MTF alignment, the daily chart provides the overreaching bearish trend and major structure targets. The 4H is used to define the immediate consolidation range, providing a precise pivot and validation level. The range high and the first target is the range low. Macro fundamentals, the asset is Euro USD. The fundamental backdrop is highly conflicted. A weak US jobs report is bearish for the USD, while geopolitical tension in the Gulf and the stock market rout are creating a risk of flows that typically strengthen the USD. This macro uncertainty elevates the importance of clear bearish technical structure. So let's paste it here. And here we are, guys. So it says as long as we are below 1.1625. Okay, guys. It is using the previous swing high on the 4H. I am using the maximum wicks there. So not a much of a difference there. So its first target is 1.1532, almost same as mine. Not much of a difference on the higher time frame. And the second target is, okay, no, the first target is same as mine, 1.15480, almost. Second target is 1.1530320. Okay, guys, so there's that. And if we break above 1.1625, its first bullish target is 1.1700. Okay, guys. So let's see what happens. Wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money. And see you guys next week.